Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Victoria and welcome to Pembroke Beauty. So today, as you probably saw from the title, is a very exciting video because my delight Boxycharm is here. So, this month's box, okay, let me restart here, I suppose. So, every month I do this because I am subscribed to Boxycharm. So, Boxycharm is the monthly subscription box that gives you 4 to 5 items a month that comes in the mail for $21, and it is guaranteed to exceed $100 in value. So basically you're getting a bunch of stuff for free every month, and it's random, but it all has a theme, and a lot of times influencers get a lot of input in what you guys get and what I get. I don't know why I said you guys, but yeah, so it's really exciting. It's like a little present for yourself. So if you are interested, you can see the link that is in my description box down below, and obviously it's not an affiliate link because I'm not an affiliate, but it is a link. So if you are interested in subscribing to this box as well, you can do so by clicking that link and then signing up there. So anywho, so I'm going to get started. As if you've seen these before, you would know I really like to go through and try on all the products. Usually I kind of talk through when I do eyeshadow looks, etc., but I feel like they're very long and they don't need to be that long, so I'm probably going to do it kind of quick and then just show you what I'm doing as I'm going, as opposed to just chatting with you during it. And then I'll tell you how I feel about my box, etc., and that'll be that. So I'm going to stop rambling and I'm going to start. So the theme for this month's box is road tripping, which, in case you guys wanted to know, I don't love road tripping. I would rather fly somewhere than road trip. I suppose it would depend on the people and where I'm road tripping to, but I just don't really like driving that much. That's totally besides the point. I just felt like I should throw it out there. So we got 5 items this month, and I'm going to start with the first one. So this is the box, by the way. So the first item in this box is an item that I'm not going to use today because I don't really want to, but I am interested to see it, and I already have makeup on, and that's why I'm not trying it. So it is the Dr. Brandt Needles No More, No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. So this is what that looks like. And this retails, I believe, for $42, which is expensive. I'm going to start here. So this is the Cella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. So this is what it looks like right here. This, I looked it up and it says that it's all cruelty free. Add some wow to your brows. So it looks like it's a cream. If you guys have watched me for a little bit, you would know that I'm not particularly like an eyebrow pomade, eyebrow cream type of girl. I'm more of an eyebrow gel type of girl. So I've actually never really used anything like this, so I'm a little bit nervous, to be honest, but we're gonna give it a go. So it looks like on the one end we kind of have like a little brushy thing, and then on the other end you screw it off, and then in there is some taupey looking eyebrow gel cream, I guess technically. So I'm gonna try this. Please wish me luck because I'm a little bit scared. Upon trying to get some out, it's firmer than I expected it to be. So let's try this on my brows. Oh, I didn't even tell you what this cost. This costs $26. Wow, that's a dark brow. That's so weird. I never do eyebrows like this, so it's very strange to see myself with this dark of eyebrows. I'm gonna need to brush some of that out. Okay, we'll fix it on our way back around here. The other thing that I'm noticing is that this brow color is very cool toned for how warm toned my hair is. So it's really not the best shade for me. I don't know if they gave out more than one shade or if they only had one shade that they gave to everyone. But I feel like Wow, I feel like if you were a blonde, this probably wouldn't work for you either. Unless you already have like really dark eyebrows. Ah, I have caterpillars! 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 Do you guys remember that part of that movie? If you know what movie I'm talking about, put it down in the thing. That's a great movie. Great film. Alright, so I'm going to attempt to, to fix this. So I'm just going to take a little wandy thing with no additional product, and I'm just going to use it to brush a spoolie. That's what I was looking for. And I'm just going to brush it through my brows because I need to blend this out somehow because this is a little bit crazy. Okay, so this is what my brows look like without any brow gel or anything. I'm now going to put some of my NYX Chocolate Brow Mascara over top because I feel like I need a little bit of warmth, and it didn't do anything to keep my brows in place, so hopefully this will help. So I think that looks a little bit better. Honestly though, this is a lot of brow for me. I'm really not used to seeing my face with this much. I don't think that they necessarily look bad. I just don't think I'm used to seeing myself with like this much eyebrow. I don't know. It seems a little weird for me. I feel a little bit like, I don't mind the product itself. I don't particularly like the color for myself. And I don't like how large the brush is on the actual thing. Like, this is far too thick of a brush for you to get like a decent sized line. It just ends up smudging it all around. So you don't kind of get the natural looking brow. You kind of end up more with a pomade-y brow, which I am not subscribed to. But that's just personal preference. If you like brow pomades, you might really like that. It went on nicely. It wasn't hard to work with. That was just my 2 takeaways from that product. So that is item number 2. Now we're moving on to item number 3. And I'm going to kind of jump around because I kind of want to do this one just for fun. So this is the Note Cosmetics, maybe? The Note Luminous Silk Compact Blusher with Argan Oil. And it's in the shade Desert Rose. So this retails, this is also cruelty free, and this retails for $12. So it's for all skin types, it's luminous, paraben free, and it prevents dryness, and it has a built-in brush and mirror. Wow! So I'm really excited. I hope this is a good color. Desert Rose sounds like a good color. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, I like it. That's good, that's good. It's very, very good. So the packaging, like how it's written Note on there or whatever, that reminds me of the Dior stuff. So then you flip up the thing and you get a little brush. I'm a little scared to try it with the brush, but it feels very soft, so we'll try it. So this is like a orangey, more earthy toned blush, which I'm definitely cool with. Okay. So I like that. I think that's really pretty. It's probably hard for you guys to see in this lighting, but it looks really nice. It's kind of like a corally orange, and it does kind of have a sheen to it, but it's not like a shimmer. You know, it makes you look a little bit sunburned, but I like it. Put a little bit on my nozzle. Burn me. So it did have a lot of kickback. I don't know if it's just that brush that made it have a lot of kickback, or if it's the product itself, but I really like how it looks. It does definitely have a little bit of a sheen to it. It's a satin blush for sure. So I really like this. This is really nice, and I really like the color, so win. Yay. So the next thing in the box is this. This is the Crown Brush Fuego eyeshadow collection, and it retails for $30. And I'm pretty sure that it's all warm toned, which would make sense as to why it's called Fuego. That's what I was looking for. So this is the packaging. I think it's really pretty. It has the Crown logo written on it in rose gold, and it's just matte black. And then I don't know if you can see that, but that's all rose gold in the inside as well. So it has a mirror. Woohoo! And it looks like it has 10 shades in it. So this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. So obviously we have 1, 2, 3, 4 shimmer shades, and the rest are mattes. This looks kind of like a satin, which is nice because that's a good highlighting shade. So this color really calls to me. That looks like a kind of duochrome. I have been trying to find out, because we've gotten Crown in the box before. I don't know if they're cruelty-free or not, and I've been trying to find it. I see some things that look like they are, and then some things that don't say anything. So I really am not sure. If you guys have any information, please let me know, because I'd like to know. For today, I'm just going to use it. So I'm going to do a makeup look with this, and like I said earlier, I'm not going to chit chat with you during it. I'm just going to show you what I'm doing and then move forward, and maybe I'll voice over it, maybe I won't. So just a heads up, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so this is the eye look that I did. I kind of tried to do like a little bit of a halo. I actually really, I'm shockingly impressed by this palette. I thought that it would be kind of subpar, to be honest with you, but the mattes are really pigmented. They blend out really easily. These shimmer shades are like intense, like crazy intense. I didn't even use them wet, and like they are great. Like, just acknowledge that for a second, okay? Just look at it. Like, that's intense. So yeah, so I'm really pleased. I think that that went really well. I actually really like the eye look that I made. I put a little bit of Mr. Bing Colourpop gel liner in my waterline, and then I did a little bit of NYX matte liquid liner on my lid. And now I'm going to go into the final product in the box, which is this. It is the Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara from Wander Beauty. So this is a little bit of a strange packaging, at least I think it's a little strange. I actually opened it and thought that it was a lip product. Tis not, tis a mascara. This award-winning black and intensely glossy mascara will bring you to new heights. So this retails for $24, and it is also cruelty-free. So I'm going to try this and put it to the test, and then we will be done with our box. Sad, but exciting. Sad, but exciting. So this is what the wand looks like. I kind of like that. It looks like a natural hairbrush. It doesn't look like a plastic one. So it's kind of dry, I will say that, just upon first application here. So this is the finished look. Obviously I put on some lipstick, and right now I have Vitamin C Ultra Blotted Lip from Colourpop and Cabana Boy Lip Gloss by Colourpop on, and I set my face, and this is it. So I really liked this month's box. I would not say that it was my all-time favorite box, but is it a good box? Yes. So all in all, I absolutely, like, this was the winner of the entire palette, or of the entire box for sure. This was really, really good. The other winner is the blush. I really like this blush a lot. As far as the eyebrow and the mascara goes, the mascara was a little dry for me. It was not bad. It did curl my lashes. Did it really make them that lengthened? No. Did it give a lot of volume? No. It's not bad, but it's not my favorite mascara for sure. So all in all, these two were kind of eh for me, the eyebrow and the mascara. I really like how this look came out. If you guys did get the same exact things, definitely comment down below. What did you guys get in your box? Or do you not get it? And are you going to get it now? I don't know. Just let me know, because I want to, like, be part of your lives, okay? That's all. Why can't we all just be friends? I'm sorry, that, I don't know. So yeah, so if you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see my next Boxycharm unboxing, you totally should subscribe and hit the little bell so you get notifications every single time that I upload. Additionally, if you want to follow me on Instagram, that would be really cool. And I'll put it here on the screen just for you. Just for you. So yeah, definitely follow me on Instagram, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, give this video a like if you did enjoy it. If you want to see more Boxycharm unboxings, definitely let me know. And hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Yes! Nothing! I love you. I love you! So this is the crown, what is it called? Let me move my hair.